So these are names of things. Aha ihe, ahe aha, ihe ihe, aha ihe. That's names of things. In English, cup, we call cup in Igbo iko, 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 iko. Plate, we call plate afere, afie, rie, afie, rie, afere, afere. Please pronounce after me and spell after me. Afie, rie, afere. Then table, we call table, tebulu. T-A-B-U-L-U, tebulu. T-A-B-U-L-U, tebulu. We call house, ulo. Ulo. O-le-o, ulo. O-le-o, ulo. Pot is called in Igbo ite. E-T-A, ite. E-T-A, ite. E-T-A, ite. Bed, we call bed aqua. A-kwe-a, aqua. A-kwe-a, aqua. Then bag, we call bag akpa. A-E-a, akpa. A-E-a, akpa. We call spoon in Igbo ngaji. N-G-A-G-E, ngaji. N-G-A-G-E, ngaji. N-G-A-G-E, ngaji. In Igbo we call door uzo. O-Z-O, uzo. O-Z-O, uzo. Comb, the comb we use to comb our hair. In Igbo we call it mbo isi. Membe o-o, isi-i, isi. Membe o-o, mbo, isi-i, isi. Membe o-o, mbo, isi-i, isi. Nail. Nail, example of nail is this. Nail that we are using to nail things. In Igbo they call it ntu. N-T-U, ntu. N-T-U, ntu. Hoe, we are using to farm. In Igbo they call hoe ogu. O-G-O, ogu. O-G-O, ogu. So these are the Igbo names of things. Please try and learn them. At least you should be able to pronounce and know at least out of all these ones, you should be able to name 5 nouns in Igbo. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.